morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. My name is Bojan Petreski. Today is May-18, 2022. This is the 3D market commentary for today. The disclaimer is running there for your use, your understanding, and your protection. That this is for educational and instructional purposes only. I think sound should be good now. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. My name is Bojan Petreski. Today is May 18, 2022. The disclaimer is already run there for your convenience, that this is for educational and instructional purposes only. This is the 3D market commentary for today. Let's go ahead and get started. This is what the 3D market commentary would look like in your inbox, coming at you Monday through Friday. Every day the market is open. We call it a 3D market commentary because we utilize a 3D approach. Now, what is that 3D approach? Well, we utilize 3 dimensions when we analyze it so we can have an objective and realistic approach when we're trading, investing, or hedging. That first dimension, also represented down here, is the market climate. Gives us the upcoming market direction, whether or not we should be looking for long or short opportunities. The buy and sell UFOs are patented and proprietary technology that gives us the unfilled orders that are responsible for the turning points, meaning we would be looking to those for our entries and our exits. And then, of course, the market volatility, the statistical element of this all, that gives us the change speed, which gets us to adjust our risk to reward ratio if needed. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into the first one that we already have open here, which is the S&P 500. As we see now, as of today, we are in an unconfirmed up climate. Now, why do we say unconfirmed up climate? Because it's a blue thin dot here today. It's the first one out of typically 9 that this market goes up for. We do have a brand new UFO that has opened up right here at 43.50 to 39.79.50, and price is currently testing into the 40.62 to 41.53.25. It already went into it yesterday. It's pulling back from it today. However, it didn't test the highest concentration of this UFO, which is right where the flying saucer is. According to the VIX, we're still elevated volatility, 26.34%, 67 points for the day on the S&P 500. Now, if you're looking to educate yourself, you can look no further than here. We do offer future stocks and forex courses, which are let's consider them the main asset classes. However, we also offer the additional tools and information that you do need to make for a more consistent trading, in my opinion, which is the backtesting trading plans and trading psychology courses. Combining these and then applying these to the main asset classes, I think is very important. So take a look here, browse and register for a course. Of course, you can also use the link down below here when tradewithufos.com/Bojan, as you see it down below. All of these links are also available in one location. Everything that I'll go over today, as well as a platform where you can ask questions if you have any to go over. All right, the next market that we're going to look at, before we leave, any one of the courses comes with a 3-month complimentary access to auto UFOs and auto climbers. So purchasing any one of the courses gives you access for 3 months so that you can analyze and see for yourself how our software works. All right, moving on to crude oil. Currently in an up climate. It is confirmed. It is the 5th one out of typically 7. The selling UFO up above here, 115.54 to 130.50, was actually wasn't touched. I think it was touched by 2 ticks. Actually, we looked at that yesterday. Yep, 2 ticks. So as you see, the high was 115.56, and the UFO was starting at 54. And from there, we had more than a $2,000 move down. Interesting to see that. Here is buy UFO 107.37, 102.62. And this, in fact, is why we typically, have um, the larger time frames in front of us, so we can take profits before UFOs on these large time frames because of events such as the one we witnessed yesterday. Okay, based on the OVX, we're looking at 50.34% volatility, which again for crude oil, it's not unexpected. This is, it's extremely volatile given given the geopolitical and macroeconomic situation with the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Everyone's on edge. We were looking to test these lows below $100 multiple times. However, it's just not holding, and now we're back in the 110s, 111s, 112 right now. So we're going to see where this is going to go next. However, in an up climate, in nearby UFOs, it is a higher chance that we're going to see this succeed, continue going upwards. Again, that's also reflected in 50.34% for the volatility. Right now, if you need the Auto UFOs app only, it is available for TradingView, TradeStation, MetaTrader, and of course our very own platform Top, which I will speak about in just a second. You can use this link here to subscribe to any of the apps. They do come with monthly or yearly memberships. Okay, next one that we're going to look at is gold. The current market climate on gold is down. It is confirmed. It's been going down for 21 days out of typically 6. So right there, you have an exception to the rule where a climate can run and continue running for an extended period of time. Based on GVZ, we're looking at 20.05%. Nearest UFO 1781.3 to 1753. And nearest sell UFO 1962.7 to 2003. Gold has really been going on this downward trajectory for quite some time now. It's not uncommon to see this. It's just the fact of the matter is of the way that this has been going down. It's been almost somewhat forceful. Let's call it going into more or less of a channel towards the downside. It came close to testing this UFO. Didn't quite do it. However, did pull back quite strongly from this area. However, right now we're seeing still, a little bit of weakness in gold. Okay, now if you need coaching or support, apart from the daily live trading sessions that we have that are compatible with all time zones, we also have all asset advanced coaching, which is available using this link here. This allows you to set up sessions with any one of these instructors on our channel to get one-on-one sessions with them, to go over things that you may have questions for, or maybe you just want another set of eyes or another person to just review and look at. And of course, it may even help you avoid some bad habits that you may not know you even have. All right, next one that we have is the dollar index. Okay, the dollar index, the nearest drop-off point that we saw here, 104,500 to 105,065, has created a new sell UFO. The climate has also shifted to an unconfirmed down climate. The nearest buy UFO around that 100 area, 100.675 to 99.810. EVZ is looking at 9.5%, 0.62 for the day. The dollar, the Dixie, has been going steadily upwards since the beginning of the year. I mean, even before that, but it went kind of ballistic towards the middle of April. Even in March, we saw pretty substantial moves up. Pretty interesting to see those. Small consolidation here versus what it was here and what it's been around this area. Another pretty big move from here. Now pushing down, and we're going to see if it's going to test and hold this area here, or if we're going to see some more upward movement. However, as of right now, we are seeing an unconfirmed down climate. Now, if you don't want to read this overview in your inbox, this content is broadcast daily, Monday through Friday, every day the market is open, by my colleague Becky and I. You can go to our YouTube channel using this link here. I would appreciate if you can like and subscribe to it and hit that little bell notification icon so that you get notified every time we go live. And of course, you can catch up some missed commentaries using our playlist. All right, last but definitely not least is Bitcoin. Currently in a confirmed down climb. It's been going down for 9 days now. Um, Looking like it's below 30,000 yet again. 29,805 is the current price. Buy UFO is well down below here, 23,737 to 22,910. Sell UFO is the nearest one here, 35,525 to 36,445. According to BVIN, we're looking at 91.85% volatility. And the daily expected move is 1734.36, which again is not unexpected for Bitcoin. All right. Now, last but not least, if you want to be a top trader, which stands for the Predictive Options Planner, you can learn more and subscribe to use our own platform that was developed by us with essentially professional features, professional platform features that you would not typically find in most retail platforms. Okay, so this is something that's brand new, and this is for the serious trader out there. This is a broker agnostic, server-based, not web-based. It's a server-based, meaning most of the calculations are done by the back end, the server side, rather than your computer. So this can be used even on regular laptops. It is broker agnostic, as I mentioned, and it can be used to trade all assets. Right. Last but not least, for news for the week, for today, we've already had consumer CPI in Great Britain posted, as well as in Canada. As soon as we started the session, we have employment change and unemployment rate in in Australia, and then budget release for New Zealand. China's interest rate decisions coming up this Thursday, and then Navy Day holiday on Saturday. That's that for today, folks. Hope you enjoyed the session today, and I will catch you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.